Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 6th of January. European bourses opened lower today and continued their downtrend below yesterday's low. However, following a 25-month high printed in Eurozone services PMI and ahead of key economic releases from the US, European equities recouped most of the losses, trading flat across the major indices. Heading into the US equity open, we did also see the release of ADP employment change data for December, which came in slightly worse than expected. However, the previous did see a positive revision. Further to that, ISM non-manufacturing data for December came in slightly below consensus but was still above 50. Also, the employment constituent saw an increase on the month. In terms of US equity specific news, Monsanto reported worse than anticipated Q1 numbers, and Morgan Stanley has won a New York State Supreme Court ruling in a dispute with Discover Financial Services over $800 million company says it is owed. Elsewhere, Merck said synergies of the Schering-Plough merger coming on strong and is confident in overall planned cost savings. Also for Microsoft, according to sources, Steve Ballmer, company's CEO, will unveil a novel take on a slate-type computer during his evening keynote at the Consumer Electronics Show. The slate will be made by Hewlett-Packard and possibly available by mid-year, according to people familiar with Microsoft's plans. On the broken move front, US stocks have been raised to overweight from underweight at HSBC, while Google's price target raised to $650 from $620 at Thomas Wiesel. American Express has been upgraded to outperform from neutral at Macquarie, and Alcoa price target raised to $19 from $14 at Goldman Sachs. Boeing raised to buy at Deutsche Bank. So looking ahead, we are expecting the weekly DOE inventory release and also the minutes of the December FOMC meeting later on.